Welcome back to the channel, HobbyBoss Kenobi here. In this video, I will be painting the ejection seats. The seats are a set from Aries. These particular seats are appropriate for the A-6A. However, I understand that the A-6As had their seats replaced and updated in the 1970s. I will be depicting an aircraft from that era. First, I sprayed the seats with primer. I like to use primer on material that isn't plastic, such as photo etch, other metals, or resin, as seen here. Here I have sprayed a base coat of NATO Black. NATO Black is a very dark gray which represents a black object well in this scale. I am dry brushing the seat with a lighter tone of gray to highlight details. Next, I painted a portion of the seats this very bright green. I tend to paint past the area that actually needs the paint. This ensures that I will not miss any spots. Next, I paint the cushions. I start at the edges, then fill in the center with fairly thin paint. I will apply at least 2 coats rather than try to add thick paint all at once. Next, I will add some lighter buff color to the khaki, then thin down the paint and add it just to the higher points of the cushions. Next, the straps receive a lighter gray color. I don't get too worried if I slip up at this point. All of these mistakes will be touched up as I go along. wanted to show you how I paint the black stripes on ejection seat handles. It is important to have the black paint well thinned. A bit of it is removed as I flatten the brush. Then I swipe the brush across in a straight line. The resin set did come with photo etch pieces for the straps, but the Quinta 3D decals also came with details for the seats, and I just wanted to try them out. I find that it is best to simply wet the backing paper, not the actual decal. After about 3 seconds, the decal is free. Super glue and PVA glue is used to affix the pieces. Well, that does it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye.